Welcome to Carl's Comic Cards and Collectibles for a Masterpiece Monday. Yeah, we're going to open another one of these boxes. There's still a lot of parallels I haven't seen yet. The Seismic Gold and the Green Parallel and a couple of the other ones. Like the Orange Lava. I haven't seen the Orange Lava and Precious Metal Gems or the Metallurgy. And this box does feel kind of heavy, so maybe we'll get a metal card in here. Let's just see what happens. Last time we got the hollow foil. We got the red prism, which is the lowest numbered card out of this whole set that I've gotten. I got a few of the pink lasers and a couple Plexi cards. But let's just see what we get in this box. Number one. Let's see what we have in pack number one. Oh, okay. And then Marita. And we got a Sabertooth. And we got a Ultron on a canvas. And our second insert would be a Spider-Gwen on the corner box creation. That is nice on the pink little background there. That's awesome. I'll throw her up there. Might as well. That's a nice little insert. Okay, second pack. We got 12 packs here, 4 cards per pack. Try to make this a little quick Monday little video here. Rogue. Oh, Ghost Rider on a cover variant. Variant cover. And we have a Hobgoblin on some canvas and a Wonder Man. A Ghost Rider on the cover variant is pretty awesome. All right, let's see what we can get here in this third pack. Sandman. We got Silver Sable. And on our clear cut of Magneto. That's pretty awesome. And we have a rainbow here of a variant cover, Quasar. Quasar rainbow variant cover. Cool. Okay, next pack. Let's see what we got here. We got little pink lasers coming up, I believe. We got a Hawkeye. We got Tombstone here. Let's get this leather one. Let's get the leather Quicksilver. Okay, and then our pink lasers is White Queen. Oh man. Okay, White Queen on a pink lasers. Awesome. White Queen. That's wonderful. Okay. Might have to put that pink lasers out there next to Black Cat here. Let's just do that right now before we get into this other pack here. Oh, we got Kang the Conqueror here. And we have Psylocke. And looks like we have a Canvas Silver Surfer. That's pretty awesome. And our second insert here is a Major Victory variant cover. Cool. Okay. Next pack here. All right, we got a Doctor Strange. We got a Shadow Cat. And another canvas of Namor. Hey, how about Namor? And our second insert of the pack is that is awesome. I believe that is a fantastic cover. Thor. Hulk and Thor. Awesome. Okay. Fantastic cover. That's a sweet insert. I have to put that up there. A double shot of Thor and Hulk there. All right, next pack. About halfway done here. All right, we got a Quasar on the base card to go with that cover variant. And we got a Night Thrasher. And we got a Rainbow Morbius. How about that? Rainbow Morbius. And the next insert is a Magneto Lenticular. That is awesome, dude. That's awesome. All right, I really like those lenticulars. Those are pretty cool. Lenticular. All right. I'll try to put that up there here. Let's see. Get Spider-Gwen. Get Magneto up there. All right, next pack here. Next pack. Okay, we got Thanos. Gotta love Thanos. Nightcrawler. Gotta love Nightcrawler. And we got another clear cut here of Wonder Man. And our second insert of the pack is a Nova variant cover. Nova. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Got the clear cut Magneto and a lenticular Magneto. That is pretty cool here. I'm going to put the... I'll get a little matching Magneto action there. It doesn't really... We've got 4 packs left here. Oh, hey, we got Galactus. Nice. And then we got Adam Warlock. Let's do a quick check here. Oh, wait, it's Apocalypse. No, wait, it's Adam Warlock. We've seen that one before. Okay, we got a canvas. Oh, Deathbird canvas. Deathbird on the canvas. Nice. All right. Oh, and we got Guardians of the Galaxy on a corner box creation. That's pretty awesome. Star-Lord and Rocket. Wow. That's pretty cool. All right. I don't think I have those 2 corner box creations, so that's pretty cool. Next pack. And we got Thor. Adam Warlock. Oh, let's see. Wonder. Okay, this one's the Adam Warlock. Well, that's very interesting how we got... Oh, Blue Tracks Ghost Rider. That is sweet. That's beautiful. All right. Oh, I always check, but the Blue Tracks, I always check if they're numbered, but they're not. Okay, we got a Canvas Dazzler. That's pretty awesome. Blue Tracks, though. Ghost Rider on the Blue Tracks. I had to maybe put the White Queen up for a Ghost Rider. There we go. All right. We got 2 packs left. Just want to say thank you for stopping by and watching the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Gonna be opening some more stuff here. We got White Queen. And we got a Spider-Man. And a clear cut of Human Torch. That's pretty awesome. And it looks like we got a red prism of Mephisto on a variant cover. That's awesome. Mephisto on a variant cover on a red prism. That's pretty cool. All right. Well, maybe we'll go Magneto from Mephisto. Okay. Last pack here. Look for some last pack magic. Everybody says the magic. Let's see what happens in this last pack. We got Jean Grey. We got a Rainbow Mojo. And we got a clear cut. Oh, clear cut of Doctor Doom. Oh, that is awesome. Nice clear cut of Doctor Doom right there to close out the box. That's pretty cool. Plexi. Sorry, not a clear cut. It's a Plexi of Doctor Doom. That's cool. All right. Well, not a bad box here. We got a Plexi of Doctor Doom. A clear cut of Magneto, a couple of other clear cuts here. We got some Wonder Man and a Human Torch, speaking of clear cuts. And we have our lenticular of Magneto. And our red prism of Mephisto on the variant cover. And a Blue Tracks Ghost Rider. Not a pretty bad box there. A Doctor Doom. Plexi is pretty cool, though. Well, if you guys like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's been a Masterpiece Monday edition of the Carl's Comic Cards and Collectibles. And always, keep collecting.